It was a fail. That's the finished product. If I didn't show you already, the 12 by 17, we might have a little problem. Rookie mistake. And that's it. Hey. I'm about to attempt to make an annual life calendar. So it'll have everything. So we both can see everything that's happening for our family at one time. So birthdays, bills, business stuff, appointments. So yeah, I saw a young lady that created it. I don't remember her name, but I will link her video. But she did hers out of a trifold cardstock. I've been obsessed with that, like large profile calendars that's real colorful. So I'm gonna try to make my own. Me and Mom went and got some supplies last night at the Dollar Tree. Decorative cardstock. My calendar from my State Farm agent, Alexis Harris. I got some foam mounting tape, and I got some paper from Michael's. But that's the wall, and it's adjacent to my husband's overflow shoe collection. We don't have any color in this room at all. It's just white walls. I wanted to fill this wall with some color, so let's see how it goes. Now this is what I'm worried about. This paper is mad thin. Okay, I need your help, ma'am. So this is what I'm thinking. Okay. So I'm gonna put one, and then I'm gonna put another one right over top of it. I'm gonna just need 2 panels.
Okay.
Right?
Why didn't you lay this out and see how your things is gonna look on here first?
So from here, see how far it goes to the end? 53.
It's 53 and 1/4.
So it's not that long. I just realized something. This might not work out because the vent is right above where I want to put this calendar. And I was planning to put these things on with Post-it notes. They're not gonna survive a whole year. I would have to write it in.
You want to come up here and do the same slit?
Since I gotta cut it. How about that? All right, now we just need another one the same length as this one.
That's all.
This shouldn't be this difficult, this project. This should have been the easiest part of the project. And I'm still cutting paper. All right, we're ready for phase 2 of the project. I didn't record that part of me putting the stickers up.
You gotta pull the tape off the back.
Yeah, but I need a stool because I'm short. Is that level?
No.
No?
No.
Help me.
Hold on, but let me get the level. So mark it there with a pencil, and then that's your level right there.
Can I just stick it?
No, Jeanette. Well, you can. Yes.
Here, I could just stick it since he got it. I'm just gonna stick it. Popped up over here? Oh no, it ain't gonna work.
That tape ain't gonna work.
It popped up.
You need masking tape.
Yeah, this ain't gonna work.
I can pull them off for you.
Well, they on the thing.
Oh, they come.
Okay, this is what we came up with. So Q1 is white because it's usually cold, January, February, March. Then things start growing in spring, so it's green. And then Q3 is yellow, July, August, and September. And then Christmas, October, November, December. I think we got a good plan. Now to put it up. We need to go 4 from the top. So that's the top. And then 4 in.
That'll be the first one.
So we are gonna have to cut some off this end just to make it match with that end. Okay, it's the next evening and I am getting ready to complete this project before I go to bed. Yes, you can see now. Thank you, Jesus. So now I just got these stickies from the Dollar Tree, and that's what I'm using to put my months up with. These are not the calendars I wanted. I was not able to find them that had the bigger cells because I want some big enough that I can put these stickers on them. But for now, this is gonna do. So I'm not gonna record the whole thing, but I'll just put one up so you can see how I'm doing it. And so these stickers are just like little clear dots. I don't know if you can see that. And I just take one off. They're like little plastics, and I just stick it on the corners. I'm only putting it on 2 corners for now. I don't feel like it needs to be too involved just to stick them up there. I'm just kind of eyeballing it here, putting it kind of like towards the middle of the thing. This one I'm definitely gonna have to put one on the corner because of that vent there. It's gonna probably blow it. So I am gonna put an extra sticker on the corner here. Just to keep it from blowing off. And that's pretty much it. I'll just fast forward it. Show you the finished product when it's done. Of course, I gotta put all my dates and things in, but that is it. My calendar situation, it was a fail. In the middle of the night, all of my calendars fell off the wall because I secured them with these. By morning, all except for 2 were down and 2 were hanging. So all night you would just hear this paper falling at random intervals, and you would wake up like, what the hell? And like, oh, it's the paper falling. I didn't know Jose was waking up hearing it too, but he was like, yeah, all night long. So also, I was not happy with those. It's mad bright in here, sorry. I wasn't happy with the way the calendars came out anyway. I went on Bit the Bullet and ordered me some new calendars, some colorful calendars. The problem is they're bigger than what I was planning. These squares are 12 by 12s. These are 12 by 12s. The new ones are 12 by 17. Now, I should have some wiggle room because I put 4 inches around the border of everything. So it's 4 inches except for on the end because we haven't cut off the ends yet, which is a blessing because of this new this new development. I should be okay having those extra 4 inches. Yeah,
that's what she said.
They're I say 12 by 12. And the new ones are either 12 by 16 or 12 by 17. So if they 12 by 16, we're chef's kiss. If they 12 by 17, we might have a little problem. So I'm about to go in here and do the unboxing. I'll take you with me. And then we will see what we have. Then these are the calendars. So let's see what we're working with. Ooh. I can't never open it when it has a little tab like that. Okay, they packaged it up real well. It even had like a little spacer in here. So these are the calendars. Hold on, there's something that's in here. I don't know what that is. Does it have markers and stuff with it or something? Oh shoot, there's a bunch of stuff in here. Oh, it had markers and an eraser. I didn't even know it had that. I just wanted the calendars. Yeah, that's it for what's in there. And then it's a little box. What is this? Oh, it even came with their own little thumb tags. Okay, that's dope. I didn't know it was coming with all this. Reading is fundamental. So they're like tan, almost look like wooden thumb tags. Okay, so this is them. They're different colors. So we're gonna see how this works. Let's go see how big this actually is. The top ones will be fine, but it's them as we start moving down. Okay, so if I put it actually where the one started, you see it goes, well, let me go on the color one, you can see, because the white ones you can't really see. So if I started where that one is, you see how much it overlaps, but okay, that ain't too bad. If I go to the top, that ain't too bad. The problem is I am about 2.5 inches above where this starts. So I'm probably like about here. I think we might be all right. We'll see. So I'm gonna work on that. Ain't my little fat top pad in my back hurt holding that up like that and twisting to the side. When you get over 40, you see, I was just standing there holding the little thing up, and my back is tweaking. This is a shame, but I'm gonna try to put these up. They came with some stickers to stick them to the thing. There you go. So they got their own adhesive. I'm gonna try to put these up real quick. Make sure if you use the adhesive that comes with the package to double and triple check your placement and make sure that you don't have any bubbles, because once it's stuck, it is stuck. I just made a super serious error, rookie mistake, as Jose has just said. I recorded all of that footage of me doing this project before he get home, and I didn't have the doggone mic on. I completed the project and I showed you and everything. I might include that footage, but let me show it to you while Jose in here with his drawers on. Get out of here, nigga. So now that we got audio, there we go. That's the finished product, if I didn't show you already with my ruined footage. And I'm so proud of myself because I did it all by myself without a second set of hands and or a second set of eyes. So as you can see, I was cheating and I left the original backers on here. So this one has the green behind it. You can clearly see the yellow behind this one, and the pink one has a red behind it. But I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it right just like that because it's imperfect just like me. And it's my doggone calendar, so who gonna check me, boo?